Good morning. I am Anusha as a nursing tutor at Emmanuel Arthur College of Nursing. What is a uterus? I am going to present a uterus. So the uterus is a hollow muscular pear-shaped organ flattened anterior posteriorly. It lies in the pelvic cavity between the urinary bladder and the rectum. The uterus will be present between the urinary bladder and rectum. The uterus lies in an almost horizontal position. It is about 7.5 cm long, 5 cm wide, and its wall about 2.5 cm thick. The weight of the uterus 30 to 40 grams. The average weight is 60 grams. Function. The uterus also play a role in sexual response by directing blood flow to the pelvis and ovaries and to the external genitals including the vagina, labia, clitoris. It functions to nourish and house a fertilized egg until the unborn child or offspring is ready to be delivered. Parts of the uterus: fundus, body, and cervix. The fundus is the dome-shaped part of the uterus is above the opening of the uterine tube. The fundus of the uterus is the top portion opposite from the cervix. The body is the main part. It is the only in here only the baby, when the baby forms, the baby will be stay in the body of the uterus. It is the narrowest interiorly at the internal as where it is the continuous with the cervix. The cervix is a neck of the other name is neck of the uterus. This protruded through the anterior wall of the vagina, opening into it at the external os. So there is an internal os and a external os. The uterus problem. The first sign of the problem with the uterus may be bleeding between the periods or after sex. The causes can include hormones, thyroid problem, cancer, infections, any other infections, or pregnancy. Structures. So the wall of the uterus are composed of 3 layers of the tissue: perimetrium, myometrium, and endometrium. Perimetrium, which is distributed differently on the various surface of the uterus. Anteriorly, it lies over the fundus and the body, where it is folded on the upper surface of the urinary bladder. This fold of peritoneum forms the vesicouterine pouch. Posteriorly, the peritoneum covers the fundus, the body, and the cervix. It folds back on the rectum to form the rectouterine pouch of Douglas. Myometrium. This is the thickest layer of the tissue in the uterine wall. It is a mass of smooth muscle fibers interlaced with areolar tissue, blood vessels, and nerves. Endometrium that consists of columnar epithelium containing a large number of mucus secreting tubular glands. It is divided functionally into 2 layers: functional layer and basal layer. The functional layer is the upper layer and thickness and become rich in the blood vessels in the first half of the menstrual cycle. This layer is shed during menstruation. The basal layer lies next to the myometrium and is not lost during menstruation. It is the layer from which the fresh functional layer is regenerated during each cycle. Thank you.